Hi guys, this is Sushmita and welcome back to my channel. Since we all are under lockdown, going to a salon for a body scrub or a spa is totally out of question. So I'm sharing a very easy DIY body scrub come polisher recipe that will help you get rid of dryness, layers of dead skin and tanning only to reveal a fresh looking glowing skin. And the best part is that all its three ingredients are easily available in every kitchen. So let's quickly begin. The first thing you would need is some rice. You can take any variety of rice available in your kitchen. But if you have an unpolished, organically grown variety, then go for it. I would soak this in water for at least 2 hours till it swells up and becomes softer. Rice has enzymes that work wonders for dull, uneven, patchy skin. The Koreans swear by rice water to keep their skin looking young and glowing. Grind it in a very fine paste using your kitchen grinder. Make sure that it is not too grainy or it will rub the skin too hard. Use the water that the rice was soaked in to adjust the consistency. Once the rice is ready, use a sieve to separate the rice milk. The liquid rice milk that gets separated is a strong hair conditioner. I have done a separate video on how to use this milk for hair. Do check that video out. You would find the links in the description box below and also on the screen. The thick residue that you get here is what actually we need. This rice cream feels whipped and fluffy. Take some as per your requirement in a bowl. For neck and arms, this much is enough. You may take more if you need to polish the entire body. Now add some yogurt in the rice and mix well. Yogurt would soothe the dry areas and milk proteins present in it would even out the tan and pigmentation. Now to add some fragrance and tone up the oily sweaty skin, I am using some rose water. Rose water is a great toner which is very affordable and easily available. Though this is optional. If you don't have rose water, then skip it altogether. Make sure that the consistency is loose and runny, as the moisture will make it spread easily without causing a lot of friction. You don't want to irritate your skin by using a hard scrub. Now spread it on a clean skin, focusing on areas with tougher accumulation of dead skin, body acne and tanning. It is a great scrub to be used in shower when the skin is wet and can be easily exfoliated. I have developed a lot of tanning on my back and nape area after a recent holiday. Once scrubbing is done, rinse with plain water and please don't use any soap. The skin would feel super fresh and supple just as it does post a salon body polish. So if you found this video useful, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Share it with your friends and I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye.